Do I need underinsured motorist coverage? Have you ever thought about what happens if you get into an accident with someone who has insurance, but it's not enough to cover your costs? This is where underinsured motorist coverage comes into play. Let's break down what this coverage is and why it might be important for you. Underinsured motorist coverage is a type of car insurance that protects you when the driver at fault has insurance, but their policy limits are too low to cover your medical bills or property damage. If you find yourself in this situation, your underinsured motorist coverage can help pay the difference between what the other driver's insurance covers and your actual expenses, up to the limits you have chosen on your own policy. To clarify, an underinsured motorist is someone whose liability insurance is not enough to cover the costs of an accident they cause. This is different from an uninsured motorist who has no insurance at all. Both types of coverage are important, and in some states, they may be bundled together or required by law. Underinsured motorist coverage typically comes into forms: bodily injury and property damage. Bodily injury cover helps pay for medical expenses, lost wages, and related costs for you and your passengers. Property damage coverage helps pay for repairs to your vehicle or other property. However, not all states offer both types, and some only requiring bodily injury coverage. From a legal standpoint, having underinsured motorist coverage can be especially important if you are involved in a dispute over an auto insurance claim. If the at-fault driver's insurance does not fully cover your losses, your own underinsured motorist coverage can provide a source of compensation. This can make the claims process smoother and help ensure you are not left paying out of pocket for expenses caused by someone else's insufficient insurance. Practically, underinsured motorist coverage is most relevant when the cost of an accident exceeds the other driver's policy limits. For example, if you are seriously injured and your medical bills are high, the at-fault driver's insurance might only cover a portion of those costs. Your underinsured motorist coverage would then kick in to cover the rest, up to your policy's limit. It is also worth noting that underinsured motorist coverage does not apply to hit-and-run accidents, which are typically handled under uninsured motorist coverage. In some states, you may need additional coverage, such as collision insurance, to protect yourself fully in these scenarios. Whether you need underinsured motorist coverage depends on your state's laws, your personal risk tolerance, and the potential financial impact of being involved in an accident with a driver who does not have enough insurance. It is a practical way to protect yourself financially and legally, especially in cases where the other driver's insurance falls short. Checking your policy and talking to your insurance agent can help you understand your options and make an informed decision.